I've been fed up with my computer's video quality for quite some time now. So let's go ahead and upgrade my setup with this Ugreen 4K webcam. Now this comes quite loaded. It's got an omnidirectional mic which picks up audio much better than how your computer would pick up natively. It also is plug and play. No need to install drivers. It's been a pain if you had to look for drivers, install them, run them, and then make sure that you have the right ones. Also, it has automatic focus, but more than that, it has a few different things that got me to make this purchase for this specific one than any of its competitors out there. Let's go ahead and unbox and set it up. Okay, so I have already cut the tape here, but I haven't taken the contents out of the box, so let's go ahead and do that.
Before we go further into the video, I just want to take this time and say if you guys like watching my content, I would really appreciate if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, as it helps me out a lot and motivates me to keep on doing this and making all sorts of content that helps you guys. And now let's continue with the video.
Okay, right here, the camera itself and the USB cable in this little compartment. Oh, I think it's the whole thing together. Okay, that's the camera. Let's put it aside for a second. What do we got here? A privacy cover, which is very important these days. I would never trust a camera without a cover, so beautiful. What is that? Oh, this one is a USB-A to USB-C adapter. Now, I've been using these for quite some time now, and I must say Ugreen adapter quality is quite good. I have some spare, so I'm not going to be needing this at the very moment. And we got a user manual, setup guide, a welcome card. That's the user manual. And you got what is that, a dust sticker? Well, nothing at all. So yeah, put these back. This is what we need right over here. Let's take this out. Okay, wow, it's already, damn, that's already ripped. I don't know if this was used before or if that's how it comes, but not very professional, Ugreen. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this off. Okay, I like the form factor, very compact. It's not going to be bulging out too much. It's just the right dimensions. I think the quality is pretty good. You know, this is to be expected from a company like Ugreen for their products. It is plastic, all of it, but it's got good feel to it. You can also screw it on to a tripod if that's how you want to mount it. You've got the option, or you could just put it on top of your monitor. I believe, yeah, this is how. It's going to clip onto your monitor, which is what I'm going to do, and run the cable through my system and conceal it. Okay, and let's go ahead and unbox the privacy cover. These things never tear open. They always just rip right over here. It goes on like this and it opens up. I'm going to peel the sticker on after I complete my installation, and then I'm going to put this on. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm a little further away from my mic, but here's the camera, and I'm going to mount it on top of my monitor here, and I'm going to run the wire all the way through the arm. I'm going to toss it at the back of the table, and then I have a wire management setup going on here, and that's how I'm going to connect it to my computer. So let's go ahead and open and get the wire out. Okay, so 6 feet should be more than enough, more than what I need for my setup. I'm just gonna make it as straight as I can. Okay, that looks pretty good. A lot better than how it came. Okay, and with the camera here, it opens up this way. Let me show you how I'm gonna mount it over here. I think that's how it sits. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, it doesn't look like it's going anywhere. So I'm just gonna run the wire through the arm. So the bottom part of the arm was actually screwed on right here. So I'm gonna open the screws, put the wire in, and then I'm gonna close it up, and then I'm gonna toss it at the back of the table here, and I'm gonna bring it out with the wire management that I have going on here. It looks a lot neater than it does right now, but yeah, I don't think I'll be able to show you all of it, but that's what I have planned. That's what I'm gonna do, and I'm probably gonna do something about this wire up top here as well. But yeah, I think that comes after. So let me just quickly do that, and I'll be right back. Progress update. So I was able to pass the wire from here into the arm here, and then I opened up this channel over here, passed it through here, and now here what I have going on is, wait, let me show you closer. This is a fire retardant management channel. Puts all the cables, all your wires, everything together. A safe way to conceal your cables. It looks good. So yeah, I passed it through there as well. And all the way at the back, it's coming out over here, right over here, USB-A. This can also turn into USB-C with an adapter. I'm not a fan of how big these USB-A cables look, so I might not keep it here. Or I'm thinking I might place a channel at the back here. So instead of this being here, I can just hide it away over here. So it's gonna be hidden in plain sight. Anytime I need it, I can just pull it and use it and then put it back. Who's on their webcam 24/7 anyway? So for now, it's gonna be here. I'm gonna clean everything up a bit, and yeah, that's when I'm gonna turn this on. It is just sitting over here. It's not as flimsy. I mean, when I try to move it, my whole monitor moves, so it's a good thing. I think it has some grip to it. It's not going anywhere. Apart from that, I think it looks good. Yeah, let me tidy it up, and I'll see you guys back here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I think that's the center. And this is the Amazon listing for this camera. It was $57 right over here, and then I got a coupon for it, about $11. And this is the price that I paid. I haven't checked out the quality yet, so I'm gonna do that just now, and then I'll give you my verdict. But for now, this is how it looks. Okay, right here. Yeah, so these holes that you see on the two sides, these are the mics, the omnidirectional mic that pick up your audio. I don't see how they're omnidirectional, to be honest. It seems like they're pretty much just picking up audio from the front, but I guess that's what it says in the box. But yeah, let's put on the privacy cover as well, right over here. Can you see it? There's a very heavy snap to it, by the way. I wasn't expecting it to be this heavy, but yeah. So this is when you're using the camera, and you can just close it. It's functional. I mean, the quality of the cover is really, really lacking, but as long as it doesn't break on me, I should be okay with it. But let me go ahead and turn this on. It's plugged in. I just don't see a light. So here's the camera in action. As you can see, the quality is pretty good. There's no lag, latency issues, none of that. I did end up securing the wire on the back of the desk here, so whenever I need it, I could just pull it out, and when I'm not using it, it just goes back in and I don't even see it. So yeah, here's it connected to my laptop and the camera itself. So yeah, there is an indicator light on the right side of the camera, as you can see here. And I think the mic is on the other end of this. I've been using this camera almost daily, and I can say that I'm very happy with the performance. The audio quality is beautiful. So this is perfect if you are looking for something that, you know, you can use for meetings or whatnot. Yeah, I would highly recommend getting this one. It is inexpensive compared to other models. So yeah, here's my review. Again, really happy with the product. Thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next one. I will try to post more often, so, you know, stay tuned. Thank you for sticking around.